Hi there. Today we're diving into how to configure your offer letter settings to ensure consistency and alignment with your company standards. Let's get started. First up, you'll see this question. Do you want to use the default setting for offer letter? This is where you decide whether to stick with the system's predefined template or customize it to fit your organization's needs. Let's explore the options. If you're happy with the system's default template, simply click Yes, Use Default Settings. This will apply the predefined offer letter template, saving you time and effort. It's a great option if you're looking for consistency and don't need any customizations. Now, if you want to tailor the offer letter to match your organization's branding or include specific terms and conditions, click Edit and then click No Change Settings. This will open up a world of customization options for you. Go ahead and click that to start customizing. Here, you can select a default template for creating offer letters. You can also choose additional letters to send alongside the main offer letter, like welcome packets or policy documents. Next, you can customize the default email subject for offer letters. For example, you can personalize it to something like offer of employment. This adds a nice touch to your communication. You can also set up a dedicated offer letter workflow to manage approvals and track statuses. Admins can even import candidates directly from the offer letter page, though this feature is disabled by default. Handling rejections? No problem. You can set up predefined reasons, like inadequate compensation, the candidate accepting another offer, or even family concerns about relocation. You can also add custom reasons if needed. On the offer letters page, you can curate which templates are displayed, ensuring only the most relevant ones are shown. You can also choose which profile fields to include in the offer letter, like candidate details or job information. To keep track of everything, you can define statuses for offer letters. Options include pending approval, rolled out, accepted, rejected by the candidate, denied by the company, pre-onboarding completed, and on board or closed. This helps you stay organized throughout the hiring process. Lastly, you can decide whether admins should have permission to delete offer letters. This setting can be toggled on or off, depending on your organization's policy. Once you've made your choices, don't forget to click Confirm and proceed to save your settings. And that's it. You're all set to create and manage offer letters like a pro. Thanks for watching. See you next time.